Okay, this is a good one to sketch. Viola drives 2 kilometers up a hill that makes a 9-degree angle with the horizontal. So let's say here's the horizontal, that's the ground, okay, and she is driving up a hill that makes a 9-degree angle with the horizontal, okay? So if she drives up 2 kilometers, and what we really do is we can say, let's drop this elevation right down to make a right angle, okay? And we know that this is 2 kilometers, that measure. The question is, what horizontal distance has she covered? Well, if from here at the start to here, she's gone 2 kilometers, then what is then this distance along this side from there to there? Okay? Let me put that in blue so we can identify that. Yeah? All right, so from that angle, which 2 sides do we have? Well, we have the adjacent side, okay, right next to that 9-degree angle. And then this is the hypotenuse right there. So which uses adjacent and hypotenuse? That is cosine, ka. Cosine of 9 degrees equals the adjacent side, x, over the hypotenuse, 2. Now multiplying both sides by 2, we get 2 times cosine of 9 degrees equals 2 times x over 2. The point of that is to cancel that. Okay? And then you get x is equal to, whatever we get when we get 2 times the cosine of 9 degrees. So I'm going to hit cosine 9, and then I'm going to multiply that by 2. And I get 1.97 something. So I'll write that as an approximately equal to 1.97537. Doesn't matter because we only need to. We're rounding to the nearest tenth, and this 9 is in the tenths place, so we look one higher or one more to the hundredths place. Is that 5 or higher? Yes, it is. So the 9 goes up to a 10, but you can't fit a 10 in a single place. So you put a 0 where that 9 is, and then you carry the 1, and we get 2.0. So the horizontal distance is a little bit less, but since that angle measure is such a low number, it's only 9 degrees rotation, then that length is going to be essentially almost the same as it is if you're driving up the hill. It's a little shorter. So it rounds to the same, 2 kilometers, and that's what we're going to choose as our answer.